Hey guys, welcome to my channel in Phone Tech. Let's compare Honor 10 Lite and Redmi Note 6 Pro. Guys, let's start with the display. Honor 10 Lite has 6.21 inch Full HD IPS LCD display, and other side you will get same 6.26 inch Full HD plus IPS LCD display. Now see the difference in front camera. Honor 10 Lite has 24 megapixel front camera and Redmi Note 6 Pro has dual front camera 20 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Now talk about the RAM and storage. Honor 10 Lite has two options in RAM, 4GB and 6GB, and you will also get two options in storage, 64GB and 128. And other side Redmi Note 6 Pro has three options in RAM, 3GB, 4GB and 6GB, and other side in storage you will get two options also, 32GB and 64GB storage. Next we talk about the rear cameras. As you can see here, both have a dual rear cameras. Honor 10 Lite has 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera, and Redmi Note 6 Pro has 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel dual rear cameras. Let's see the difference in processors. Honor 10 Lite has 2.2 GHz octa-core processor and Huawei KEYone 710 chipset. And other side Redmi Note 6 Pro has 1.8 GHz octa-core processor and Snapdragon 636 chipset. Guys, give a look on other specification. Honor 10 Lite has Android 9 Pie, and other side Redmi Note 6 Pro has Android 8.1 Oreo, and both have a 4G. Let's talk about GPU. Honor 10 Lite has Mali G51 MP4, and other side Adreno 509, and both have a fingerprint sensor on the back. And talk about the SIM. Honor 10 Lite had dual SIM, but other side Redmi 6 Pro has hybrid dual SIM. And now talk about the battery. Honor 10 Lite has 3400 mAh non-removable battery, and Redmi Note 6 Pro has 4000 mAh non-removable battery. Now we talk about the price. 220 in US dollar and 15,000 in India rupees. And other side Redmi Note 6 Pro has 200 in US dollar and 14,000 in India rupees. Thanks guys for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for new update.